I just got the dreaded email. Well, it wasn't just got, it was actually a couple of days back, but I just got the dreaded email saying that one of my designs has gone into review, and here's what it says. So it says, we're reaching out to let you know that your work is currently under review, and as a result, is temporarily unavailable for purchase. Now we know this may sound alarming, but worry not. The review process is temporary and doesn't necessarily mean there is anything wrong with your work or account. Now, if you get one of these emails, then try not to worry too much, because there's not really anything to worry about unless you've done something wrong. Now, why do they do this? Well, in an effort to keep Redbubble safe for all users, an automated system looks for specific works that may violate our community and content guidelines. Now, it also says, if we go through, in some cases your work may be hidden from public view while we assess whether it's suitable for the marketplace. Now, things that are going to trigger this is sometimes your design itself, the tags you've used, and also the keywords in your title. Now, a good practice is, especially if you're trying to use quotes, is by checking for trademarks. Now, this is Merch Informer, where you can actually check trademarks completely for free. Now, what I'll do is also link this down in the description. Now, once you're on here, all you have to do is click on here. This is going to check all categories. It's then going to open justia.com right here, and then you can put in your quote that you're using to make sure that it's not trademarked. Again, this is going to be a best practice that you do for any quotes that you use in your designs. Now, nonetheless, even though I received that email, a couple of days later I actually received this one, and it says, great news, the review process has been completed and your work is available for purchase on the marketplace. Now, some things to keep in mind are, you will receive your full artist makeup from your sales of these products, and your work may be reviewed again at any time. So my point in this is that try not to worry if you actually get one of these emails. If you've done nothing wrong and you're not infringing on someone else's IP or trademarks, then you really have nothing to worry about. Now, I know a lot of people don't actually like Redbubble, but I know a lot of people do. And this is something that I've just recently started doing myself. In fact, I don't think I've even had my Redbubble store for 2 weeks yet. Now, if we come over to my channel, we can check just here. This is how I actually got a premium Redbubble account in less than 24 hours. And as we can see, this was 9 days ago. So even though I've actually had my store for only 9 days, I've just started getting some traffic. So if we come into my back-end office here on Redbubble, go to last 7 days and scroll down, we can actually see I am slowly starting to get traffic. Now this is good because again, I've only really had my Redbubble shop for 9 days. But if we hover over these, we can see I'm getting some direct and organic traffic as well. On the 20th of February, I had 3 organic, 1 direct, and on the 21st, I had 4 direct and 2 organic. Now, I am consistently uploading every single day. I am trying to do at least 10 uploads per day. I believe the limit is now 30. It used to be 60, but they changed that last year. But nonetheless, I do believe that my traffic is slowly going to start increasing each and every day. Now, if you want more print-on-demand videos, then drop a comment down below letting me know, because this is something that I'm currently doing each and every day myself. I've also got a TeePublic store as well, which I've slowly started uploading to see how it goes. Now, if you are interested in print on demand, then I do suggest coming over to the channel and watching this video just here. This is how to find low competition print on demand niches completely for free. This is a method that I'm currently doing at the minute, and this is how I'm actually getting traffic to my Redbubble store. Now, in fact, what I'll do is link that down in the description as well, so it's a little bit easier for you to go and watch. But nonetheless, the whole point of this video was because of this email. If you get one of these, really don't worry about it again, unless you have infringed on someone else's IP or you are using trademarks. Because if you do nothing wrong, then you have nothing to worry about and everything would be all good. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.